ito, gusto nilang malaman yung proseso nung paano nyo na-achieve yung 6 straight na UAAP championship.
Wow.
Kasi
Going back,
na-build nyo na yung team.
Na-build namin yung team.
Oh.
So, after ko na nabuo yung grupo ko, first time na talagang hinandle, kasi consultant lang una pumasok. Si Paul Du yung head coach. So, when the second year ko na sa NU, kasi ako yung naghahanap ng players, ito.
Okay.
So, ito. And then, ako na yung humawak on our first year, talo kami. Final Four. Bago pumasok ng Final Four, pang 5 and 4. Laban namin Ateneo. Natalo kami sa Ateneo by a buzzer beater. Talo kami, sabi ko. Sakit eh. Final Four eh.
Mm-hmm.
So, talo kami. So, pasok sila sa Final Four. Siguro, we played Saturday. Monday, practice na agad kami. Pagkatapos ng UAP, Monday, practice tayo. Sabi ko, all in ba kayo? Sabi niya, all in kami, coach. Kasi, alam nila, kaya nila eh, nandun eh. So, eventually, nag-practice kami. So, nung start ng UAP that season, hindi ko lang po alam anong season yun. But we started with yung Phil Oil. So, tinalo namin.
Phil Oil muna.
Phil Oil muna. First time, tinatalo namin yung malalakas na team. Yung Binild noon, yung FEU. Malalakas yan eh. And then, sino ba? Adamson. Tinatalo na namin. Sabi namin, okay ah. Sabi ko, so merong progress na nangyayari sa ginawa namin training. So, eventually, nung UAP, diretso. First time, Final Four, we're number 1. And then, tapos, first time namin sa Final Four, that's first time nag-finals. Eventually, natalo kami.
Sa finals?
Natalo kami finals. Natalo pa kami sa finals. Natalo kami kay Lasal. So, nag-game 3 yun. Nag-game 3. So sabi namin, bad trip. Sorry. But sabi namin, sayang. The following week, week, talagang todo ulit kami. Sabi namin, wala nang tuntigilan. Sabi ko. So, we had that, na kaya natin. But, we fell short again. Kulang lang sa, experience. Yun naman yung kulang sa women's basketball before was, games. More games.
Kulang sa games.
Kasi,
ibang liga.
Lalaruan namin nun. Phil Oil. Tapos, may konting maliliit na liga na.
Tapos mga tune-up lang.
Tapos tune-up, which is, minsan, hindi ka naman nakakapag-tune-up dahil kalaban mo eh. So, ayaw nila makipaglaban sa'yo eh.
Ibang liga ang nakaka-tune up.
So, medyo hindi naman sa yung level ng competition yung masyado maganda.
Ano po bang liga?
WNCAA.
Okay.
May mga WNCAA. Meron pang na-ASCO pa yatang na women's dati.
Mga ibang liga.
May mga maliliit na liga dati. So, yun yung mga tina-target namin. Hindi yung mga UAP ay tune up eh. So, sabi mo, nahina kayo. So, okay. So, sabi ko. And then, one thing that also Boss Joe did was, was send us abroad.
Nag-training kayo?
Nag-training kami sa abroad. Sabi namin, kasi nung time na nasa youth kami, yun yung program namin. Sabi ko, boss, kailangan natin magkaroon ng international experience. So, we always go to, cheap naman, hindi naman cheap, but it's easier to go to Taiwan than to all other, malapit lang. Tapos, siyempre, sabi niyo, maraming kilala rin, nagkakilala. So, yun yung ginawa namin. We always go to Taiwan para one of the best system was yung mga Chinese type eh. Ang gagaling nila, lalo yung babae nila. Ang second namin pinuntahan was Malaysia. Kasi Malaysia was getting better na noon. Lagi sila champion. So, yun din yung pinupuntahan. Kaya pag pupunta kami doon, tambak kami ng 70 points, 80 points. Talagang, sabi ako, nasishock kayo ngayon. So, eventually, every year na nagpupunta, nanalo na kami. Nanalo kami. Pupunta rin kami Malaysia. Yung dating tinatamba kami ng 50. Umaga doon na kami. Nakikipagsabayan na. So, nagkakaroon ng confidence. So, pagdating dito, yung kalaban mo dito sa Chinese type ito lang ang kalaban mo dito, baka hindi ka pa maano. So, yung confidence,
Dagdag kumpiyansa.
yung level ng
Competition.
ng competition is a little bit higher. So
Yeah.
eventually, yun na yun. Yun na yung start ng how we did it.
Mhm.
But again, sabi ko nga, hindi lang every year, ganito yung gagawin natin. So yung compilation ng ginawa namin dito, dagdag kami ng dagdag. Not just the players, but kami rin as coaches. Kasi sabi ko nga, mahirap yung kalaban mo dyan.
Mhm.
May kalaban ka sa harapan, may kalaban sa likod, kalaban sa taas, sa
Dami.
baba, sa gilid. So everybody's hunting you. Lalo na yung mga after the second year namin na champion na straight. Everybody's really hunting. But ang ano ko lang noon time na yun was masaya ako dahil kasi umaakit yung level ng competition ng babae. Hindi lang kami as the NU Lady Bulldogs, but yung mga kalaban namin, nandiyan lang, lumalapit na. So sabi ko, kailangan dagdag pa tayo ng dagdag. So yun yung probably the best way of saying is you cannot stop learning. And the way also is you cannot stop from watching and learning from your players also. From everybody. Yun lang yun.
The whole team is growing, no?
Yun ang
Coaching and
resulta.
then pati players.
Resulta ng 6 straight.
Oo. Hirap.
Mahirap yun.
Yung pressure lang eh. Like after winning 3.
Pang 4.
Oo, pang 4, pang 5.
May time ba na parang muntik ng maudlot yung straight, coach?
Yeah, maraming times. Man, di naman maraming times. But there were times talaga na
muntik
on
na.
our first game, mga siguro on our 5th or 4th, going to the 4th, yung opening season. Hindi kami matalo sa UE. Sabi ako, UE to. UE, lakas na ito. So, hindi namin, surprisingly, but eventually nanalo. And then to the finals, ganun din. Parang at the time, meron times na yung 6th straight championship namin, si Jack Animam was not with us. Naiwan sa New Zealand. Kasi nasiko dito sa may eye. So, meron daw parang stress factor. Bawal lumipad.
Pressure.
Baka maano sa pressure. So, she has to stay and she didn't play the game. Yung final game namin sa UAP. So, sabi ko, patay yata.
Panalo pa rin.
Panalo pa rin. So,
ako, as a coach, how do you keep your players humble na champion sila every year for like, kasi minsan yayabang player mo yan
minsan hindi nagutom yan
Oo, hindi na sila parang kaya na natin to, ganyan.
Yun yung lagi kong ina-advise din sa kanila. It's not what you have done already. It's what will you do pa in the next one. And it doesn't stop here. You're not stopping. Kasi ngayon, meron ng national team. Everybody, I think, at that time was, kasi ako na yung national coach noong 2015. Parang everybody wants to join. Gusto ko kasama to. Gusto ko pumunta, sumama ako dyan. Parang, yun yung, I think, one of the best din na nagawa namin for them. Na they have, hindi lang before na pag natapos mo yung playing career mo, wala na eh. Ngayon, meron parang may national team ba? Nakakalipad ka, pupunta ka sa ibang lugar, may konting allowance. So yun yung parang motivation din nila. Pag hindi ako gumaling dito, hindi ako makakasama dun. So yun siguro.
Thank you for watching Balyahan with GB and RDO, powered by Sports Plus, the official gaming partner of the Philippine Olympic Committee. Kung nagustuhan mo ang napanood mo, here's some more videos. Huwag mo rin kalimutang mag-like, comment at subscribe para lagi kang first dibs sa bagong videos ng Balyahan.